Hi guys, this is UK Mayhem. This is just going to be a quick tutorial to show you how to use TRADESATOSHI for buying and selling. So what we're going to do is we've already logged in. We're going to go over to our balances section. So now we're here. This is the market window. This is our balances window. So I'm going to search for the coin Flappy Coin because this is the coin I'm going to buy and sell today. So if you haven't already, you'd need to generate an address. Normally that would be this button here. It would say generate or create an address. I've already done that. So after you've done that, you'd need to click deposit address. So this address you'd see here would be on your screen, obviously, would be the address you'd need to deposit to from your QT wallet or from another exchange, for example. So when you've done that, you've waited for your coins to confirm. You'd see your available balance here. That means we're available to trade. So I'm going to go ahead and click over to the Litecoin market. Remember, you can trade on Bitcoin, USD, Doge and Bitcoin Cash. So, and then I'm going to quite simply just search flat. That's the name of the coin we want to buy. That's the name of the coin we want to sell. So we'll do that. When that loads, you'll see this window here. So what will happen is we're going to put in an order at 2 Litecoin Satoshi and we're going to sell, say, 2,000 coins. So now we sell that, we'll set the price by clicking here and then we click sell. Within a couple of seconds, what should happen is you should see the order here pop up. Now that goes with selling coins. What happens if you want to buy coins? Well, now you see here on the sell order that the order is at 3. So if you want to buy, you can sell at 2 Litecoin Satoshi. If you want to buy, you can buy at 3 Litecoin Satoshi. So I want to buy my 2,000 coins back because I didn't actually want to sell them. I was just doing it for the video. So we'll go 2,000. Oh, we haven't got enough. So what we can do is, if you see here, we can click and it will automatically reset to the balance of what you wanted to buy. So now if I click buy, very quickly you'll see the amount has already come up. So what happens if you have a market which is a bit bigger than this? Well, sometimes people put in an order below. So say Flappy Coin, for example, was 10 Litecoin Satoshi. You could put in an order at 8. Now you'd have to wait, say, for that order to be fixed if the Flappy Coin was at 9. But then eventually your order would be filled, or may be filled, you know. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. As I said, it was a quick short video just to show you how to do these things. Hopefully there'll be some more coming for you. Thank you very much for watching.